Little Storyteller.
The sun shone brightly in Gummy Bear Town. Inspector Gumdrop, a big red gummy bear with a magnifying glass, bounced into his office. His desk, made of shiny licorice, had a big sign, Gummy Bear's Detective Agency. Oh dear, cried a small yellow gummy bear, Lemon Drop, rushing in. The secret recipe for the ultimate gummy bear is gone. Lemon Drop's eyes were wide with worry. Inspector Gumdrop stood up. Don't worry, Lemon Drop, my team and I will find it. He called for his two best detectives. First came Blueberry, a cool blue gummy bear who loved to look for clues. Then came Cherry, a cheerful pink gummy bear who was very good at talking to people. We have two possible suspects, Inspector Gumdrop told them. A rival candy detective, Sour Sammy, and a very smart cookie, Professor Biscotti. Blueberry went to Sour Sammy's candy shop. Sour Sammy was stirring a big pot of sour candies. Have you seen the ultimate gummy bear recipe? Blueberry asked. Sour Sammy frowned. Why would I want a gummy bear recipe? My sour candies are the best. Cherry visited Professor Biscotti in his cozy cookie lab. Books with titles like The Science of Sprinkles and The History of Honey filled the shelves. Professor Biscotti was looking through a giant magnifying glass at a cookie crumb. Have you taken the ultimate gummy bear recipe? Cherry asked politely. Professor Biscotti chuckled. My dear, I'm much too busy inventing new kinds of cookies, like this rainbow sprinkle cookie. He showed Cherry a cookie with colorful sparkles. Blueberry and Cherry met back at the detective agency. Sour Sammy only cares about sour candies, said Blueberry. And Professor Biscotti is busy with his cookies, added Cherry. Inspector Gumdrop tapped his chin with his magnifying glass. If it wasn't them, then who? Suddenly, Lemon Drop gasped. The window in the kitchen was open this morning. Maybe the recipe blew away. The three gummy bear detectives followed Lemon Drop to the kitchen. They looked all around. And there it was, a piece of paper caught on a big jar of rainbow sprinkles. The secret recipe. Inspector Gumdrop smiled. We solved the case. The recipe wasn't stolen. It just went for a little fly. Everyone cheered. Lemon Drop was so happy to have the recipe back. They all decided to make ultimate gummy bears and share them with everyone in Gummy Bear Town. Later, as they enjoyed the delicious squishy ultimate gummy bears, Inspector Gumdrop said, You see, everyone, even though we thought it was a big mystery, sometimes the answer is simple. It's important to look closely at everything. Blueberry and Cherry nodded in agreement. Sharing the yummy gummy bears made everyone in Gummy Bear Town very happy.
Please subscribe. Thank you.